Hello there! Welcome back to Top Amazon Finds, your ultimate destination for uncovering the hottest and most efficient products on Amazon. Today, we're turning up the heat as we reveal the best 5 space heaters in 2024. If you're on the hunt for warmth without compromising on style and functionality, you're in for a treat. From the chic warmth of the Lasco electric tower to the versatile comfort of the Drio radiator, these space heaters are Amazon gems that promise to transform your living spaces into cozy havens. Join us on this journey as we explore the unique features that make these heaters must-haves on your shopping list. Next up on our warmth expedition is the Pelanese Feet Poo15 01 Indoor Space Heater, a compact powerhouse you can easily snag on Amazon, designed for those who seek warmth without sacrificing space. Pelanese has crafted an indoor space heater that combines performance with portability. The sleek design allows it to fit seamlessly into any room, while the digital display and touch controls provide a modern touch. Transitioning to its features, the Pelanese Indoor Space Heater offers multiple heating modes, including an energy-efficient eco mode. The adjustable thermostat and timer function add a layer of customization to your heating experience. For those who want efficient heating in a compact package, the Pelanese Feet Poo15 01 is a standout choice. Moving forward in our quest for warmth, we encounter the Drio Radiator Space Heater, a versatile heating solution that blends efficiency with a retro aesthetic. Available on Amazon, Drio brings a unique touch to indoor heating with its radiator-style space heater. The classic design adds a nostalgic charm to your space, while the oil-filled heating element ensures steady and silent warmth. Transitioning to its features, the Drio Radiator Space Heater introduces adjustable heat settings, a 24-hour timer, and a convenient carry handle for portability. The overheat protection and tip-over switch enhance safety, making it a reliable choice for those who appreciate both style and substance in their space heaters. Our journey through cozy comfort takes a turn with the Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater, a technological marvel that combines innovation with efficient heating, conveniently available on Amazon. Dr. Infrared Heater has been a frontrunner in the space heater game, and this portable heater exemplifies their commitment to performance. With its advanced dual heating system, it produces infrared heat that warms objects in the room, providing a comfortable and energy-efficient experience. Transitioning to its features, the Dr. Infrared Heater boasts a built-in thermostat, a remote control for convenient operation, and a high-velocity blower for quick warmth distribution. For those who want cutting-edge heating technology that maximizes comfort, the Dr. Infrared Portable Space Heater is a compelling choice. Our exploration concludes with the Drio Space Heaters for indoor use, a dynamic duo available on Amazon, designed to cater to different heating needs in your home. Drio offers a range of indoor space heaters that provide efficient and customizable warmth. Whether you opt for the ceramic tower heater or the compact personal heater, Drio ensures reliable heating solutions for various spaces. Transitioning to its features, Drio Space Heaters introduce features such as oscillation, adjustable thermostat settings, and safety features like tip-over protection. For those who want flexibility in choosing the right heater for different areas of their home, the Drio Space Heaters for indoor use offer versatility without compromising on performance. There you have it, the best 5 space heaters in 2024, available on Amazon. Each of these heaters brings a unique set of features to the table, catering to different heating preferences and space requirements. Whether you choose the stylish efficiency of the Lasko Electric Tower, the compact warmth of the Pelanese Indoor Space Heater, the retro charm of the Drio Radiator, the innovative technology of the Dr. Infrared Portable Heater, or the versatile options of Drio Space Heaters, you're sure to elevate your comfort in the coming chilly months. For more details and to make these cozy finds your own, check the links in the description below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Top Amazon Finds, for more in-depth looks at the hottest and most efficient products on Amazon. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the best 5 space heaters in 2024. Stay warm and cozy